In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to edit an ID card in Canva. Whether you're making one for a school, a club, or an event, Canva makes it quick and beginner friendly. Let's get started. From the home page, type ID card into the search bar. Canva will load a wide range of pre-designed templates, from simple professional designs to creative colorful ones. Browse until you find a design that fits your project. Once you've chosen one, click on it, then select Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. Now personalize the text. Click on any text box to change the name, title, ID number, or other details. You can also adjust the font, size, and color to match your branding. If the template includes a photo placeholder, click on it and upload your image. Drag and drop the photo onto the placeholder, and Canva will automatically fit it in place. You can further customize by changing background colors, adjusting layouts, or adding extra elements like shapes, icons, or logos. This helps your ID card match your brand or event theme. Some users also add QR codes, barcodes, or decorative borders using Canva's Elements tab. This gives your ID card a more professional finish. Once you're satisfied, click the Share button at the top right, then Download. Choose PNG or JPEG for digital use, or PDF print for high-quality printing. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit and customize an ID card in Canva. With endless templates and easy tools, you can design something unique and professional in minutes. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.